Essential oils are magical, right? Especially with the Simply Earth Unicorn Essential Oil Blend. This is an amazing blend to use with kids and adults. In this video, I'll tell you what's in the blend, how to use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. Unicorn Essential Oil Blend is made up of 4 pure Simply Earth oils. The first being grapefruit. Grapefruit is one of my all-time favorite oils because it is so uplifting. When I smell it, I just feel more joyful. It's an amazing oil to put in a blend called Unicorn. Next oil in this blend is orange. Orange is citrusy and uplifting. It's a good natural cleaner. Our third oil in this blend is another citrus oil because I wanted this blend to be positive and energizing and uplifting, and that oil is lemon. Lemon is, again, a very bright and happy smelling oil, and it has similar benefits to orange in that it's a good cleaner and that it's super uplifting and energizing. The last oil in this blend that really helps round out the citrus power in this blend is jasmine essential oil. Jasmine is a floral oil and it has a very strong floral aroma. It helps round out the citrus notes in this blend to make a beautiful, very pleasant smelling blend that is fit for a unicorn. This oil can be used in a diffuser to create a calm and uplifting atmosphere. You can use it in a roll-on to help support and calm big emotions. You can also use it in DIY skincare recipes. One of my favorite ways to use this oil is in our moon dough recipe. My girls love using this recipe. They have so much fun playing with it, and it creates a calming and uplifting aroma to the recipe so that while they're playing and having fun, it's also supporting their emotions. Let's make sure you know how to use this blend safely. This blend is safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. If you have pets in the house, make sure to use this oil with the door open and talk to your vet before using essential oils around a pet. By leaving the door open, you'll give your pet the freedom to leave the room if the aroma disturbs them. This blend is part of our Aroma the Unicorn bundle. It's based off of a children's book I have written about a unicorn who learns how her sense of smell can help calm emotions. And she has a fun adventure with other animal friends. And there's rhyme repetition that your child will love. The book even teaches you how to take a calming deep breath. This bundle also comes with a roll-on version of this blend, a stuffy that you can use essential oils with, and a digital copy of the book. We also have other free resources available to help you learn how to use essential oils with your child, and we'll have that linked in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. To learn more about how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, subscribe to these videos.